Hello, welcome back to my Autodesk robot tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add these elements here. So I had added two more axes in the y-axis here. So in previous video, it's only like 3 only. I added to 5. Okay, so first I will add column first. So we look at the plan view. Okay, I will add a column in this intersection point here. So we can do a setting of the properties of a column. So for example, I will do a RC column here. So the section, you can do a setting by clicking on a dots here to do a setting of a material. Let's say I'll use C30 with a rectangular column. So colors is very important, just to let you see more clearly. So your dimension of your column, so I'll put let's say 300 millimeter. Oh sorry, H I'll put 350. Okay, so you add, then close. So you see what you set just now is right here. Okay, so in the beginning point, then your height will set as 4 meter, the same height as your story here. Okay, so go back here, the beginning. Okay, we can plot the column here. So click, then add. So there's an extra, so delete it. Okay, when delete the column, they will left a knot here, so you need to delete the knot. Okay, let's back to plan view. You can see our column is here. Okay, so in view, in your 3D view, you can see the column is just a line. If you want it to have a 3D look, you can click a section shape of the bottom here, so it become a 3D shape. Yeah. Okay, to easily see what the structure looks like, and we'll continue to add columns. Okay, there are many intersection points that I need to add column here. It would be a wasting of time. So in a faster way, you can do a okay, to do a copy, you can click this icon here, edit, click it, and you can see the second icon here, move / copy, and click. Okay, we'll show you the dialog box translation. So as I want to copy this column to create more column in this row, okay, along the grid line. So the distance between these 2 points is 7 meter. Okay, so our first thing is need to right click to select. Okay, select the column. Then your translation vector, you put x-axis will be 7 meter, positive 7 meter, and y-axis will be 0, and z-axis 0. Okay, so okay, then copy here. Okay, correct. Then you click execute. Oh, sorry, there's only one number of repetition here, so let's do it again. So it's a selection. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll put a 6 number, then execute. Okay, this is how to do it. Then we'll close the dialog box. Okay, so now need to add column in y-axis here. Same step, but this time the x-axis will be 0. Sorry, at first need to do a selection first. Select the whole row of the column, then you click move copy. So the vector you can type in, so dy will be 7 meter and 0. So copy number of repetition, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Type 5, then execute. Oh, sorry, the axis, so undo first. Okay, because it's going down here, to see clearly. So now column is here, we need to go this way, so it will be negative 7. Okay, then execute. Okay. Oh, sorry. I need to do a selection first. Okay, so do selection, then click move copy. Going to see clearly here. 0, negative 7, and 0. Copy move. Number of repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then click execute. Okay, this is how it look like. Then you close the dialog box. So back to plan view. Okay, you can cancel the selection. Okay, this is how you add column. So next I will show you how to add beam. Okay, so you can setting your property of your beam here. Let's say I put RC beam, then do setting of your section. Materials, I will use the same C30, then colors no matter. So B I will put 150, then 250. Okay, so click add. Then here's the section here. Okay, and beginning point. Okay, add. And let's say I'll put a beam from here connect to here. Then at the beginning point I'll click at this point here, click, and the end point I'll click here. So that's how your beam created. Then okay, to continue creating the beams, like for this example, if you